Yes, now we are at the tip section, friends. Let's see how we can make the broken surfaces like these soft and smooth, meaning how we can draw them more gently. I want to show it to friends. Now, as you start drawing, look, while making a drawing here, we tried to quickly create the visuality menu in the photo. Actually, I didn't touch on the finer points too much because we are trying to improve our model by making a rough model. Now, how can we model the base of this model to make it softer? I want to show you that I took the circle tool and drew a base here. When I draw the base, the corners and edges come out all jagged, friends. But if you select the outer edge with the select tool here, and then right-click and go to Additive Info, in the Additive Info section, you can see that the number of segments is 24. 60 and above means soft, that is soft. It means to soften. When I type 60 and press Enter, the area around it will now become a soft surface. So a higher quality surface is formed, friends. Now, when I give thickness to this using the push-pull tool, look at how thick it gets. The softness of this is not the same as that one. Friends, I've achieved a softer look. And I came in with the offset command, I made an offset inside, and then another offset inside, friends. Then, when I added depth to this part, you can see that presentation board. Look at the quality here and the quality there. Friends, it looks so high quality. As you can see, our tips lesson will be like this. Friends, the moment you first draw the objects and shapes, if you increase the number of segments around the circle to 60 or more, there isn't much difference between 60 and 100. Just giving it 60 is enough. 60, just giving is enough. If you give 60, you'll create a drawing like this. Friends, it will be very soft and very easy. If you want to draw the table below, look, when you draw a table like this and give it some thickness underneath, and when you make a macro like this, if you average this, we have the rest of our part will be revealed and our clues part will be taken care of in this way. As I said, friends, I can use follow me wherever I want, however I want, and I can create very different effects. Now look, normally when I draw this table in normal life, in real life, no surface would be this razor sharp. We definitely need to give it a softer, smooth finish, friends. While doing these, we'll learn with the help of plugins later, but first, we need to understand how the manual part is done. Look, how can I quickly create such a part using the follow me command? I'm double-clicking. Look, normally I need to create an arc from here. Look, when I create this arc with this command, look, friends, this is also creating a surface. The purpose of follow me is that when I rotate this surface around itself, friends, I will have created a soft surface. But what is follow me? What was he saying? First, select the surface, i.e. pet, then select this surface. I selected the pet, I selected the surface, I selected follow me, I went and selected the surface, friends. Look, I have made the top part of the table smooth, friends. By cutting it, I turned soft into smooth. Friends, this is how the process works. Of course, we will see how to apply a coating to these later. So, after modeling these parts, we will create different models and apply textures to the wooden sections. I want to give you a fine tool here, guys. Our goal could be related to architecture. Is it that difficult when we create a model? When we model the model, we will reach a level where we can model any model that comes our way. You might have a question like this. When will we model a project from the DVG format? If we model these DVG, would be a piece of cake for us. The main goal is to be able to create these kinds of models and improve our hand skills. If you're going to create a product model, when a job like this comes your way, with this modeling technique, you can model everything exactly as it is, and DVG will become a project you can do with your eyes closed. Guys, in this training set, I'm trying to teach you Sketchup with detailed modeling techniques that you won't find anywhere else, guys. And with what you've learned, you really won't need any other programs.